Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. From yard to the street. APAC Radio. Keep it locked. Atlanta Beres Fest, 10th anniversary, and Nanamus.
That is right. Welcome, greetings, everybody. Welcome to the 93rd episode of Atlanta's top-rated Caribbean podcast, the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. We are your host, DJ SuperPEC.
And I'm Lady LaLeeBella. Here on Island Heat, we will discuss the very best in Caribbean music, culture, trending topics, as well as the interviewing the island movers and shakers.
That's right. And, of course, we're going to test your knowledge with our all things Caribbean trivia. And at the top of the hour, we'll be counting down the top 10 songs by Caribbean artists and producers based here in Atlanta with our official Island Heat Top 10 countdown.
And don't forget that this episode brought to you by our sponsor, APAP Media Group. APAP Media Group is a full-service creative video and photo production company, servicing and specializing in podcasting, multi-camera recording, and live streaming. Contact them by email at info@apapmedia.com.
And please remember to subscribe to APAP Media and Island Heat Radio Show YouTube channels. Of course, you get the first updates when we post new content. So remember to hit the notification bell as well and to like and share our videos. We've got a great show lined up for you today, as always.
And thank you so much for your interaction. Today's show, we're going to dive right into the theme, is gospel reggae. Well, look at that. It's a good marriage. Two good music that inspire each other and continue to uplift and give us roots and resilience.
That is right. That is right. Now, gospel reggae is a genre of music that originates in Jamaica, a mixture of reggae rhythms with Christian-themed lyrics. Several reggae artists, many of whom were previously part of the Rastafarian movement, have converted to Christianity and adopted gospel reggae as their primary style. For examples, including Tommy McCann, Carlene Davis, Nora Dean, Papa San, Sherwin Gardner, Sanchez, Lieutenant Stitchie, and Kerwin Ennis.
Other major artists in the genre include Christopher. Wow, look at that. Well, Lester Lewis has been described as a pioneer of gospel reggae, having won the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission Gospel Song Competition in 1989 with the song Every Time I Read My Bible.
Now, the popularity of gospel reggae has been seen as a sign of reggae has taken a broader hold in Jamaica, having previously been strongly defined with the Rastafarian community. Popular gospel reggae DJs include DJ Pulcrema from UK, and he has specialized in the genre for more than 2 decades, reaching millions of people worldwide.
Absolutely, music with a message. And I think that every week we showcase a different artist with a new message that always comes back to giving praise to the Most High and giving that credit where it's due to Jamaica being the breadbasket of musical genres and reggae in general.
Yeah, listen, I think you can apply any subject matter, to reggae. But reggae has always been, I think, the music of the people and telling the people stories from its original conception. So I think it's just appropriate that you would have, just like with Rasta, themes in the music, you would also have Christian themes. And I'm sure in India there's Hindu reggae, that would speak to to their culture. I've seen some Arab reggae So definitely, it's open to, I think, any kind of messages, and the positive messages just fit the groove, man.
Well said.
That's what it's all about. So today's theme, gospel reggae music, y'all. Keep it locked right here. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. We are your hosts.
I'm Lady LaLeeBella, and it's always a pleasure to be right next to you, SuperPEC.
Thank you so very much. Now, this week in reggae music was a very big week. What happened today in the history of reggae music, sis?
On the 25th, in 1958, the singer Junior Delgado Oscar Hibbert was born in West Kingston, Jamaica. And in 1963, singer Echo Minute Noel Phillips was born.
And also in 1847, the territory of Liberia gained independence and was renamed the Free and Independent Republic of Liberia. That happened on August 26th.
Amazing. And that was Garvey's dream coming into reality.
Yes, indeed.
And on the 26th of August, 1975, His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie passes away in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia at the age of 83. Bob Marley also recorded Jah Live at Harry J's recording studio at 10 Roosevelt Avenue in Kingston on a September night. And within a week, Jah Live was in every single record store in Kingston. Now the single can also be heard on a box set, Songs of Freedom, where Marley performed Jah Live on stage for the One Love Peace concert on April 22nd, 1978.
John dead.
John dead.
John dead.
John dead. So give thanks and praise to the Most High, as well as this next fact is from 1996. Cecile Wellington, a.k.a. Nicodemus, passes away at the age of 39.
Legendary Nicodemus, a big dancehall legend. And in 2022, Cecile Silly Spence of Israel Vibration passed away at the age of 69.
Well, history in the making, and it continues to go on. Today's theme is gospel reggae, so we have to give a message with the music. So get ready for the next musical break.
That is right. We're going to jump right in. You want to give them a break, or you're going to give them the trivia, and then we'll take the break?
Yeah, let's do some trivia. I guess now it's time for the trivia, everyone. So prepare yourselves, grab your pen and papers as we test your knowledge of Caribbean history. So today's trivia question is as follows. Which Caribbean island does not create chocolate?
Does not.
Okay. Is it A, Aruba, B, Dominica, C, St. Lucia, or D, Dominica?
Now, earlier.
Is Dominica twice? B, D?
Oh, wait, it is on there twice.
Okay.
You know what? The D should have been, no, St. Lucia's on there.
Okay.
The control room says they're updating it.
Okay. All right. So I guess we're going to cut to the musical break.
We're going to cut to the break.
And come back with the
I'll tell you what, the right answer is in there.
Okay.
The right answer is in there.
All right. I'm going to
go for it.
I'm going to go with A and B since, I got
you got two chances, right? You got two chances if you go with B and D at the same time. Keep it locked. Don't move a muscle, y'all. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. And that's just number one. That's how we do it.
Yeah, and remember, we're testing you. So get your pens and paper out. And also, get ready. Get up off your feet to dance.
Hey, they say gospel reggae. Let's go.
All my days, I've been...
Yes.
I love you, Lord, 'cause your mercy never fails me. All my days moment that I wake up until I lay my head. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
The voice of Lady the Flame.
Oh boy, you have led me through the fire, and in the darkest night, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father, and I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful, yeah. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
You better believe no God like Jehovah, Jehovah Jireh. Some me tell them say, my daddy is the king, so I am royalty. Oh, my daddy is the king, so that means I am royalty. Oh, my father is the king, so I am royalty. I'm way up with him, way up with him, way up with him. You could tell them, say, I bet you didn't know I was a bastard. To tell you the truth, I was born in shame. If you call my name, I couldn't answer. I had no legacy, I had no inheritance to claim. But that's not the end of my story. So don't you chuck me off on a shelf, cause I encountered the king of glory. And them say sorry, me want to put me down. So them clean me up, turn me round, lift me head, fix me crown, love me right, grace among me not last, no one found. Show me off, call me son, change my name, bless me song. Now the blessing can't turn down. So me have the boss. My daddy is a king, so I am a royalty, royalty. Yeah.
Father is a king, so I am
It
royal.
don't matter what you say about me, cause
Father is a king, so I am
you never ever get him to agree. I'm way up with him, way up with him, way up with him. I don't stress too much about my problems, and to tell you the truth, I've got quite a few. Cause one man alone I know can solve them, and there is really nothing that he can do. If we talk about sin, I was the chiefest, and people put me off on the shelf. But I encountered a love that's the realest. And it's the song you know want you from the stuff. Then clean me up, turn me around, lift my head, fix me crown, love me right, praise about me not last, now I'm found. Show me off, call me son, change my name, bless me song. Now the blessing can't turn down. So me have the boss. My daddy is the king, so I
There's the voice of Samuel Midas, doing this thing right there, representing now the GT.
Yeah, man. And I love to hear the Caribbean share the praises on high.
Chat boat. Yeah, it's all about gospel reggae, the theme of today's show, y'all. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast, and we are live and direct. It is time to give you the answer to today's trivia question. Now, that question, once again, was which of these islands does not produce chocolate? Is it A, Aruba, B, Dominica? Is it C, the St. Lucia, or is it should have been Grenada as D? Okay,
Right.
so the answer to today's trivia is A, Aruba.
Aruba. Who would have thought that the air is too arid?
Yes, that's exactly it. All right, the dry desert climate does not suit the growing of cocoa, and so much weather climates and conditions such as St. Lucia, Grenada, and Dominica definitely will, get you what you need for your cocoa, for your chocolate.
Pray, and and blessings. When you pray, right, the word can bring down those blessings. So let's hope for some rain for Aruba.
That's right. Hey, Aruba's all right. Aruba's doing fine. It's hurricane season.
Oh.
You don't want to ask for too much
that's
weather
true.
around this time of the year. You know what I mean? There's already
Get it
stuff blowing
doubled.
out there, right?
Beer things are going on at the Caribbean, and tonight we're talking about gospel reggae. And of course, we're also highlighting an amazing event that's coming up here in Atlanta, the Atlanta Music Fest. And down in Jam Down, beer things are going for the minister.
Yes, indeed. From the MP's desk this week, the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, on this Sunday, August 23rd, was the International Day for Remembrance of the Slave Trade and Abolition, and its abolition. We pause to remember one of the darkest chapters in human history, the transatlantic trade of Africans.
We honor the resilience, courage, and triumph of our ancestors who resisted enslavement and fought for freedom, laying the foundation for our present struggles for justice, equality, and human rights. As we reflect, we pledge to build a society of peace and prosperity where all Jamaicans can have access to education, healthcare, and opportunity. We also continue to seek justice through reparations, and to advance the welfare of all humanity. God bless Jamaica, land we love.
Yes. Now we were just talking about some about water,
Right.
And things just got a little wetter in Rockfort.
It's amazing. A Rockfort mineral bath has officially reopened. The wait is over. The mineral bath is now available for you to bring your family for fun, community spirit, and healing magic of the waters. Children, seniors, Jamaican price $500. Adults are $700, and you can come take a dip in the history.
That's right. So yeah, big up. Now listen, we're surrounded by water.
Yes. Look about
I'm just saying.
the Caribbean Sea.
The whole ocean is there.
Yeah.
So I mean, big up the mineral bath still.
Big up the mineral bath. Big up all of those who passed to make it possible for us to reach a point here in the Americas to have freedom, to be able to walk free and
take a bath.
And take a bath. We're just paying homage.
I was just wondering where we going.
Well, we're giving out our flowers.
Yeah, we're giving out flowers.
We're giving out our flowers, and rightfully so, right? We have to water our garden.
There you go. well, somebody who got his flowers well deserved. So, all right, was the man Sizzla Kalungi.
Yes, indeed, and this is 30 years of lyrical fire. Let me say that again: 30 years of truth telling. That is 30 years of Sizzla Kalungi, from Black Woman and Child to Rise to the Occasion. His voice has been more than music. It's been a movement. It's been saluting to a global icon, a culture leader, and a revolutionary. Big up yourself, Sizzla 30, Rise to the Occasion, Jamaica.
Wow. 30 years already.
30 years.
I think I must be growing up.
Yeah, you can't keep a good man down.
I must be growing up, because just the other day, Sizzla bus, man. I just remember. I remember getting the first Sizzla
Vinyl?
cassette.
Okay.
Wasn't even vinyl yet. It was I think it was African Star that mixed it, and it was basically all of the songs from Praise Ye Jah and Black Woman and Child.
Yes.
And it's the first time I'm hearing, Sizzla's voice, and it's just song after song after song that was just so poetic and so passionate how he delivered music. And I remember, we'll have a little bit more of this conversation later with our guests, but hearing for the first time the song No White God.
Mm-hmm. No white God.
And I was like, wait, you can't say that? The shock of like you can really be out there and what that meant for Sizzla to say that. And also I just wow, 30 years, Sizzla Kalonji definitely has built himself to be one of the columns in dancehall, and
Absolutely.
definitely a giant in the game. So big up to Sizzla Kalonji every time. Yeah, rise to the occasion.
Amazing.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the ones.
Indeed. Message of positivity from the voice of Sizzla Kalonji. Rise to the occasion, yeah?
Yes, and many familiar faces were also there on the 15th when the MP welcomed Ambassador Designate of Jamaica to the Kingdom of Belgium, Miss Deidre Mills, for a courtesy call at the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sports. So we're bridging the gap in a very diplomatic way there.
Hey, big up to the Belgians.
Yeah, we discussed opportunities.
The Dutch, the Belgians.
The Belge.
The
Belgians.
That's it?
Like Belgian
Belgian.
chocolate. We talked about chocolate, right?
Okay. Yeah.
We discussed opportunities to further strengthen cultural, sporting, entertainment, and gender ties between Jamaica and Belgium, as well as ways to promote brand Jamaica on the international stage. And I wish Her Excellency all the best in her new role. I believe that this is a great diplomatic move, and more to come from Olivia Grange.
Yeah, definitely. So there you have it. That is from the MP's desk this week. Listen, I'm ready to jump back into some music. I want to raise the vibes. We're talking about praise and worship music, right?
Praise and worship.
Right, reggae, gospel reggae.
Gospel reggae.
The theme of today's show.
to sing.
All right. Let me see if this one counts. Does this one count?
Yes, I does the blessing. I does the blessing. Father God blessing. Well, more blessing. I does the blessing. I does the blessing. Them can't stop me. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. Even though me say me praise God, make money, money it has, fun bad mind. God knows me love woman, me father him, that's what me born. And enough of them a try stop me fly past them straight. One of them a wicked, so what them in a rate. You know them want back the little food from me plate, but I got over devil a hell with them straight. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest, every day of my life I am blessed. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. And man can come before
Place running red, enough man are dead. Wicked thing that dead, no more violate. Well, hungry you no head. My price you must be dead. If you want to make that devil in your head, you stick in your head. What to do with friend? Tell me what to do. Till I'm how you feel. Child abuse a skill. Never to your listening. God puts without appeal. What's a mighty God we serve? What's a mighty God we serve? Our mind can't come before him. Say your hearts are clean and pure. What's a mighty God we serve?
Now the respect is due unto the Almighty, because if you don't have the Almighty in your living, there is no form of prosperity. Following a man, hey, go now. Bible story days and the Bible's the one religion. Bible story days and the Bible's the one religion. Bible story days and the Bible's the one religion. Man, it coming from lieutenants to chief. Man, this world was created by the Creator. Him separated the sky from the water. He made Adam and even called them partner. In the garden of Eden, the two of them live together. Hey, if disobey the Almighty Father, she pick and eat the food and share it with her partner. And she turn out to be the first baby mother. And that's what them family started to get larger. First them produce two sons, them never bring no daughter. Hey, he built the small and Ian was the elder. And him turn out to be the world's first murderer. Tell me, who first get labeled him smaller brother? But people started to get wicked and violent. And the same thing did that happen in Sodom and Gomorrah. Homosexualism is the man, it vex the father. So him destroy the world with flood and water. Tell me, who will the save from the family of Noah? Him save the giraffe, the monkey, the say, and the tiger. The branded it for the dog, the goat, and the
great Lieutenant Stitchy. The great Lieutenant Stitchy. That one called the Bible story. You know what? And when it comes on to Bible stories, you know, right? When you get the biblical, you have to talk about Jesus Christ. Yeah? Jesus Christ alone.
You know, more while you might feel like the Father God forget about you. Never that. I just got on time, man. One Father God.
The voice of Nanamus. Let's go, y'all.
Just trust and pray each and every day. Only Father God can show you the way. Trust and pray each and every day. God alone. The man that tell them say Jesus. Only Jesus Christ alone. Tell the devil simple way and go on. And I tell them say Jesus. Only Jesus Christ alone. Tell the devil simple way and go on. You know, more while you might feel like the Father God forget about you. Never that. I just got on time, man. What Father God? Well, everybody just trust and pray each and every day. Only Father God can show you the way. Trust and pray each and every day.
It's Jesus Christ alone. Out the voice of Nanamus. Let's go.
Only Jesus Christ alone. Tell the devil simple way and go on.
Nanamus in the building, y'all.
Say Jesus. Only Jesus Christ alone.
Spread the word, spread the word, spread the word right now. Everybody share the link, share the link, share the link. The man is in the building.
Every time I try to take me, things say me empty. With him no know the anointing, they are plenty. Me papa, me Bible lick him for a century. Till the devil move, I must get behind me. Think me a beginning for him come trick me with all him life, material and vanity. Then insanity we come try take me, covered and protected by the Almighty. So every day that me rising up, oh my eyes now, give thanks and praises to the Most High now. Stand in obedience to them surprising now. Now make disobedience be my demise now. You just be wise now, take me advice now. Only way to heaven is through Jesus Christ now. Start exercising now, forget all the pricing now. Now make them all no down with them lies now. Only Jesus Christ alone. Tell the devil simple way and go on.
Low and go on, yes. We don't want the devil wrong here. Yeah, no devil picking it neither. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast, Atlanta's #1 Caribbean podcast. And we are your host, DJ SuperPEC.
And I'm Lady LaLeeBella. I am proud to announce that Nanamus is in the building. Big up yourselves.
Respect. Thank you guys for having me this evening.
Hey, welcome. Thank you for rolling through. I like the merch. You know, the branding is so important. The man's on top of the thing, man. Yeah. So let's jump right in with because the man has a billboard talking about the big event going on. We're gonna get back to the music, but the big event that is going down this weekend coming up. All right, and that is the Atlanta Bless Music Festival. This is the 10th anniversary.
Yep, one whole decade.
Wow, amazing. Tell everybody about the event. What is the theme of this event? What is the vibe? What is this particular event? When you say Atlanta Bless Music Fest, what is that all about?
Well, the Atlanta Bless Music Fest has been around for one whole decade. Our premium gospel reggae show, because there's nothing else in the space like this that is bringing Caribbean gospel at the level. Peck, we go way back.
Yes, sir.
From secular days.
Yeah, man.
When we started doing gospel reggae, it was nothing in the space that was bringing the gospel at this level. Basically, you go to a concert, or it's just no good sound, no good lighting. Some of them band members can't even play gospel reggae because them grew up in a church and most of them can't play reggae music. So it was that void that I saw when I came in the business. Plus, a lot of them didn't even understand branding as far as, merch and all of that is concerned. So that's what I brought to the table. And this year we're just celebrating what God has done over the past 10 years.
Amazing. Saw the void. And to bring a part of the entertainment of Caribbean culture that was missing here in Atlanta, and branded it strong. 10 years. Oh, yeah. Tell us about, because 10 years is not easy, all right? So tell us about that first year when you first put it on, and what it grew to over the time.
Well, the first year when we started was 2016. I was signed to a record label for the first 5 years of my gospel reggae career, and when that career was, it got to a certain point when the contract was done, I didn't renew the contract. So I was searching for something that, would make a difference. And I asked God to just open up the doors, and hence came Atlanta Bless. Now, Neka Simone Compound was where we did the first event. First one we did was like 75 people showed up. Okay. But people was like, listen, for your first event, that was still good, Yeah. It was a vibe. And the thing about Atlanta Bless is always live music. So it's not tracks, it's live music. So the first one was, it was good, but the thing is with Neka Simone Compound, the parking became an issue. People were complaining about the parking. I love the venue, but we couldn't stay. So we moved to Connect Point down the street here, and we stayed there for like 6 years. People in the cab in Atlanta was complaining, so we moved again, and we went to Conyers. And last year we were actually Church I Got a Prophecy in Decatur. Now the difference with this year is the first year we're not going to be in a church building per se. Okay. We moved to Shiloh High School, and one of the reasons for that, people come from different denomination and all of that sometimes, and even a man would listen to some tune, but even not really want to go in a church. Okay. So I'm not here to really entertain Christians. I'm here to pull the masses together. So if the people must say, boy, we love where we're going, but would I like to see it more inclusive? Yeah. That's what we did this year.
Okay, and Shiloh High School, Shiloh High School's been a very nice venue for some big productions. Recently, there've been some plays there. The international song competition, was held there too. Yeah, so. I
mean, the winner of that competition, Lee Priest Johnson, was actually on Atlanta Bless 2 years ago. Okay. I mean, name them, they've been on it. I hear you play some Samuel Madasi. He's been on the show as well.
Okay, look at that. Yeah. So, and you've got a big lineup here. Yes. Tell the people about some of these artists that are on the lineup.
Okay, well, this year I chose to use artists who are already here in Atlanta, because we have to watch the expenses of the show, because it can go way out, and it don't make no sense you doing the show and it's not making sense as far as a prophet is concerned. Even though that's not the main reason we do it for, but
it's got to be financially
yes,
sound.
yes. So this year we pulled, the veteran out of retirement, Miss Claudel Clark. I saw the light and all them tunes that we grew up on. Yeah, so Miss Claudel Clark is gonna be on the show. We got coming out of Trinidad and Tobago, the Jesus Youth himself, Cherine Nurse.
Okay.
Yeah, and trust me, need to do your research on the boy bad. Yeah, so he was on the show last year and he's back by popular demand because the people them said them want more nurse. So yeah, you're back Cherine Nurse. We have I can't see the flyer right now, my head going black, but we have Leon Roy on the show. We also got Sharon Mullins. We got out of Orlando, Florida. We got Stacy Elevated Wilson. She got a nice project that is coming out in a couple of weeks. So basically, she's gonna be here this weekend, and the next weekend is her stuff. And I am actually gonna bless her on her concert. So she's here this week. Yeah, and. I would say last, but we got John Wayne Bailey as well. Yeah, some of that Hillsong kind of praise.
Mm-hmm.
And you got the one and only Mr. Nana. Yeah, I haven't been on the show as an artist for a number of years because one of the reasons, and I explained to all of the ministers who are there. Oh, I left out Margie. Margie's gonna be on the show as well, and this year is hosted by Lady Wilson from Gospel JA Jamaica. She's here in Atlanta now, and she's doing her thing, so she's gonna be our host this year.
Okay.
Yeah, but I will be an artist on the show this year. I mean, I took myself off a number of years because I wanted to show the other ministers that it wasn't a me thing. And if you notice my name is Nanamus. It means that it's not about me, will never be about me. It's all about our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? So Atlanta Bless is just a space where we can expose what we do as far as Caribbean gospel.
I love that platform.
Yeah.
And the expectation is high. I see the standard is high.
Oh, yeah.
Look, Chris, and it's going to be an all-white affair as well.
Oh, yes. And I mean, trust me, it's going to be a moment. Like, once you step in the venue, trust me, because we
feel the spirit.
Oh yes, definitely. We're gonna go all out as far as setting the venue. Once you walk in there, you're gonna know that we in the building.
Now you said live band.
Yes.
Right. Tell us about the band. Tell us about
MP Band has been the backing band for the show for the past, I think, for the past 9 years.
Okay.
And production team, Mr. Hugh Campbell and Max Productions, has been behind the movement for the same 9 years. I mean, he was there from day one, but we really partnered in year number 2 when we went to Connect Point, and it's been history,
So the artists, you said they're all based here in Atlanta.
Well, most of them are based here, yeah. Stacey Elevated Wilson is coming out of Orlando, originally from Spanish Town, Jamaica, like myself.
Okay.
Yeah, Cherine Nurse is coming out of Trinidad and Tobago. And the rest of artists are mainly Jamaican born, but they're living here now.
Okay. So in terms of the rehearsal, would they get a chance to rehearse with the band and all of that?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Most of the rehearsals, yes. I was actually at rehearsals yesterday before I went to Beres. Yes, me did they promote. Yeah. And I mean, what I heard in rehearsal, I mean, trust me, it's amazing. And Peck, I don't think you've been to the show before, but I'm inviting you, brother. You need to come out and check out the thing. As a normal something.
I do, and I promise you, I will be there one of these years.
Yes.
I am pre-booked on another engagement this particular year. But what I can do, because it's an annual thing, right? Yeah. So I can already know, right, which weekend to make sure I say I black out that weekend.
It's always Labor Day weekend. I tell people, our show is always an early show, so man, them can come check out the thing and then go do what them have to do, Get little Jesus in your soul,
all the way. Right. So tell people how they can get tickets and more information about the show.
Okay, so tickets are available on www.atlantabless.com. You can get tickets there, or they can call 404-468-1423, and I can direct them into where they can get physical tickets. Yeah, I didn't have a bunch of ticket locations because it's just too much pulling back all of that, right before the event. So I have specific people who are moving the tickets. So if I can't get it to them, I know who to send them to get the tickets. But they can always get, we got a few tickets still left online. And guys, the place only seat 550, and people are buying these tickets at 5 and 15 and 7 and 8 at a time. So do your thing if you want to be in the house this weekend, yeah?
Yeah, move quick. Now, I got to ask you this question before I let you go, right? Because I was mentioning Sizzla Kalungi, right, celebrating 30 years of Rise to the Occasion, and that song, No White God, right, which was a big song, controversial song, kind of, like I said, for me, grabbed my attention right away. Now, how do you, what would you say from a Christian perspective, right?
Well,
about a song like that.
Man, ain't not telling no lie. We don't have no white God.
Boom.
It's plain and simple. I mean, if you read the Bible, which white man have wool, hair like wool?
Right.
And brown skin.
Right.
Come on, man. It's simple. I mean, if you read the word, it revealed there. But, what I don't like to do, I don't like to discuss religion and politics with people. Read for yourself and ask God for, just open up your understanding, and the truth will reveal itself.
Absolutely. Well said.
Well said, indeed. Nanamus is in the building. It's all about the 10th anniversary of Atlanta. Bless. See that? Yeah, bless you, bless. Amen. It's nothing but love and blessings. Listen, Atlanta, Georgia, this is quality entertainment, right? Clean music, positive music,
Amen.
uplifting music,
Amen.
right? Now, energy, word, power, sound, right?
Yeah.
Right? It sometimes, just like you said, you get a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of, or sometimes you get a whole heap of that. Come get a little bit of, this too.
Praise.
So I have one final question if you have to ask you, right? Is the shirt just for the staff and for the management? If I go online, can I also,
people can, hit me up on at the phone number 444-468-1423 if they want to get the merch. The hats are $25, shirts are $25, but if you want the whole thing, it's $40. So you get a $10 discount.
See.
Dressed in Atlanta, blessed.
I am already blessed. Nanamus, my brethren, bless up yourself every time. Thank you for what you're doing, and keep doing it, man. Keep doing it. All right, keep doing it.
Thank you so much.
If we need 20 years from now, we say, yeah, for real.
Likewise, my brother, just keep doing what you're doing. And my sister, happy to meet you.
It's always a blessing. I am.
This is the blood.
Hey, Stephen, enough of them bitter like Cersei.
Nanamus, let's go.
With them, blood them over, blood them over, with the world them over, blood them boys and girls them over, all the bodies world them over. If them fly, let them die, crawl, let them stall, lick them down flat like Jericho wall. No care if them big or if them tall, iniquity yalla get kicked away like a ball. Cen'C Goliath, every giant to go fall. Word for every demon, total recall. The blood of Jesus, I conquer all. Father God, cover me, cover me, cover me. Lead the blood, them better hide away. Yeah. Find some place, slide away. 66 loaded like right away. Hey, clap demons like back up, back up, back up. Lead the blood, them better hide away. Yeah. Find some place, slide away. 66 loaded like right away. Hey, clap demons like back up, back up, back up. Lead the blood, them better hide away. Yeah. Find some place, slide away. 66 loaded. When we step in at the place, man, I shell down the lane. Crystal, but we don't need no champagne. Don't need no key up in me brain. Just the Holy Spirit and make me maintain. Show us our blessings that pour down like rain. Wash off me scars and all of me sins. Father God, you too good, so me not complain. Cover me, cover me, cover me. Lead the blood, them better hide away. Find some place, slide away. 66 loaded like right away. Hey, clap demons like back up, back up, back up. Lead the blood, them better hide away. Find some place,
That's right. This Saturday, August 30th, the place to be is Shiloh High School. That is 4210 Shiloh Road, Snellville, Georgia, 30039. All right, tickets are $45 pre-sold, $50 at the door, $90 VIP tickets. You can find out more information and purchase those tickets online at atlantabless.com. All right, 10 years, the anniversary. Come on, it's nothing but blessings.
Oh Lord, hear my cry. What I'm about to say contains no lies. I'm in need, so help me, please. I am stressed, but I know I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Got to keep my head to the sky and be thankful to still be alive. I am stressed, but I know I'm blessed. I'm blessed. So I keep my head to the sky, giving praises to the Most High. The road is rocky and times are hard. The little money I just earned did not go far. I got mouths to feed and bills to pay. I need some petrol in my car to make my way to the little job that's gonna appreciate me for all the things I do, and plus they're shady. Oh, Jah, I ask you to relieve me, 'cause I am stressed, but I know I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Got to keep my head to the sky and be thankful to still be alive. I am stressed, but I know I'm blessed. So I keep my head to the sky and give praises to the Most High.
The voice of Danny Mears right there with I Am Blessed. Yes, indeed. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast right here on APAP Radio. We are your hosts, DJ SuperPEC.
And I'm Lady LaLeeBella, and we still have more news to give you before we hit the 10 o'clock hour.
That is right. Now, this weekend, we were, got a chance to get out
Got to
about
step
a little
outside
bit.
a little bit,
A
yeah.
little bit, is it?
Absolutely. We know that great things are going on all month long, so we decided to take in a good sound clash.
Yes, yes. King Animosity representing A-Town and King Klepto out of Canada. And
The run-ins was good.
yeah, man.
No.
Big tunes was flying.
Down left and right. Words was flying too.
Listen, Sound Clash was live and lively.
It was quite lively. It was quite, that go late. And I still got the opportunity to go to All White, pick up Schoolboy.
Yeah.
Did big and large. The people that come out in droves.
We gotta say shout outs to King Klepto for the win.
And Cup
Yeah,
did
the
win,
trophy goes north.
Yeah, it goes
Yeah.
up north. But, the contestants, Atlanta, you hear that? Hey,
This is the place to be, though. This is the Battlefield USA.
that's where we bring it.
That's what we're talking about.
We go hard.
Big up to Schoolboy every time. Yeah, a big successful event, man.
Yes, it
I
was
saw the pictures. Miss people turn out in the thousands, it looked like, in the white.
Yes, they did. They did. They showed enough love. So big up yourself. Annual party. Him say, anybody else would throw a party that day there?
Trouble.
Nobody now come. But,
Listen. Big up to Schoolboy. Promoted that party every single day of the year.
Yes.
From it turned 2025.
Countdown.
He's already been promoting it, yeah? Virgo Nation. Yeah? But let me tell you, the man campaign better than the campaign for U.S. office when they start with the thing, the man did the primaries, the man shook the hands, kissed the babies. So big up. You put in the work, you deserve the success, yeah?
Yes,
So,
good.
yeah, man.
Big up yourself. Absolutely. And, Virgo season not done yet. Make sure you guys turn out in droves to the B-Day. You don't know, said that's a Denise party. That's September the 19th, which is my birthday. So B as in birthday girl. And music will be Bugsy Bam Bam, DJ Tony B, DJ Frost, DJ Blue, and DJ Pound.
All the bees will be out. All the bees will be out. All the bees will. That Beres was out in the town last night
Yes, he
as
was.
well.
Yes, indeed.
I got a chance to roll through to that concert. Taurus Riley did his thing. Dean Fraser. So how about? I didn't know Dean Fraser could sing like that.
Yes, multi-hyphenated artist.
Listen, I know he always did a little background singing anyway, but when he stepped forward and he and Taurus were really going back, because they've done the musical, but he was the saying, oh, I say, what? Go ahead, Dean Fraser. Yeah, bad. Yeah. Then Kess and the band did their thing, and then she was high. You know?
Just Kess now, they call, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, it's still, he's Kess and it's the band.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's Kess the band.
It's Kess and Kess the band.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then,
Cool, like Kess.
and then, of course, the Godfather himself, you know. You know, Beres.
The crooner.
Listen. Too cool for school. You know, the man's got that swag.
And that youthful spirit. He's still carrying on after all these years.
Yeah. Now, there was some people who felt that maybe, you know, the show was a little late for Beres, maybe, you know. Maybe he's starting to slow down just a little bit. But
nobody can do it like him.
Hey, the band was on point. Beres' voice was on point. And it was a great time. It was had by one and all.
And
so
where was that event held?
that was at the Gas South Arena, Gwinnett County.
Gwinnett, okay.
Yeah.
You're getting big shows.
Oh, it's a nice venue. Really nice venue.
Theater?
Yes, proper stadium styles. Yes, you know, we got the up there bleachers too and all of that.
Okay, good.
Yeah, man.
Good. Wow.
Yeah, the big screens and all of that with the
Yeah.
It was proper production and showcase.
I wouldn't expect anything less for Beres.
Hey, that's how we do. That's how we roll.
And he'll be celebrating a birthday soon coming up.
Oh, is that right? He's also a Virgo?
Yes, he is. I mean, at the best of the best.
Look at that now. What a thing. So, yeah, that's another B, Beres, yeah?
28.
Okay, all right.
Well, and other things will be going on this week leading up to Atlanta Bless Fest on Saturday. From Way Up Wednesdays, every Wednesdays, Light Glue every Friday, and Memory Lanes on a Sunday, as well as Rum Punch.
That's right. And on the 29th, it's all about Eye Candy ATL. And on the 30th, we've got Pool Party and Fish Fry. On the 30th, also Helsha in the city. And also Pearls. And also Short Boss birthday celebration. Busy night that night.
And on the 31st, we have Powder Fete, as well as the Labor Day Barbecue Backyard Experience on the 31st. On the 31st, Uno Cooler Fete, beer cooler fete before it falls on, right, and wear the nice weather. And then Dolly Sundays.
All right. And of course, also, it's all about the Aftershock Atlanta and part of the Cool Edition. Yeah, it's all about the coolest. Yeah. Listen.
It's going to be a movie this weekend, Labor
So,
Day.
is this like the last chance to get the white in? You got to wear all the white now.
Oh, my goodness.
You know, is that
Make
still a
sure you
thing?
guys show up all white.
Is that still a thing?
It is.
'Cause I've never given a
faux pas to wear white after Labor Day, you know? Although some people still try to squeeze in some winter whites.
It seems like Atlanta does white parties all year round, no matter what. Like they have another color that nobody could pick, like, you know.
Well, you know, you stick out like a sore thumb if you don't do the theme, and we're all about themes in Atlanta.
It looks so, you know. It kind of calmed down just a little bit, you know, because I remember at one point every party was a red, a green, or blue, or green, or race, or you know, it was like that. But you know, the creativity's back.
Yeah, creativity's come back. So yeah, white and another color.
Watch out now.
Right. And don't forget on the 7th of September, Sunday, Family Fun Day in Lithonia, Mikey Sparkle's annual event. It is now featuring Oliver Samuels, Mark Dragon, Lukey D, Mr. Cheeks, Chubb Rock, International Steven, Steely Bashman, Bugsy Bam Bam, DJ Cole Rice, and DJ Pampy. You don't know I said they'll be honoring Dr. Elaine Grant Bryan.
Yes, 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 yes. So, folks, this is the Island Radio Show podcast right here on APAP Radio. We are your hosts, DJ SuperPEC.
And I am Lady LaLeeBella. And you done know it's the 10 o'clock hour. We are ready to give you guys the top 10 singles from Caribbean artists that are based right here in the state of Georgia.
That's right. Each and every week, we scour all music platforms and taking all of the top data, putting it into our special matrix, which always spits out in precise order Atlanta's top 10 songs.
And that's right. And we're going to kick off tonight's countdown with number 10. It's Ross Fraser Jr.
Prophecy Reveal.
See him so them done, my lord. Ooh, yeah, hello, sir, cards. Make them know I don't care if you like I, and even if you don't speak to I, no, I don't forward to impress no one. I know they are so feel live up to no one expectation. With self-determination, you will make it if you try. You're not be bad mind and next man who know the application. Righteousness lead the earth and I govern the nation. Prophecy reveal and I can see it very clear. The most I never give you more than you can bear. To be poor is a crime that is so unfair. And if you're dark and illiterate, you cannot make it out there.
The voice of Ross Fraser Jr. in the number 10 spot this week, y'all.
And the prophecy did reveal at number 10. At number 9, Ross Fraser Jr. is making another appearance, this time with Natty King. This one is called Disgrace.
I and I want to know how we do now. Well. And this is Ross Fraser Jr. alongside the living legend Natty King. Whoa, they might fool some people, still they can't fool everyone. Wake up, take a stand, cause we know what I along. Rise, cause of our time, like Moses and our time. The universe is calling us, I know you see the signs. Mother Earth makes you Babylon, so them doom. And for your reward, Mother Earth bless you with landslide or typhoon, violating the laws of nature. And I behave like them are the almighty creator. What a disgrace, up under human race. Them system corrupt and them fake. Tell them in a friend, fi kick Bobby wrong in a them face. No more black sisters you can't rape. Black man you great, you them coulda never underrate. Tafari give you strength to elevate. Free up the prison gate. Black man war repatriate. Arrest a lightning and earthquake. Hey Babylon, and you feel no arena judgment. Fire off the purge, for them no say judge I love them. Cause them are wicked, them are evil, them are serpent. That shit fire now, because it's urgent. Let me see and you feel no I am just chosen. So I love me and use and go around them. Every black man is a king, so we have to crown them. From them full of bad energy, we have to love them. What a disgrace, home under human race.
That's right, the voice of the man, Ross Fraser Jr. alongside Natty King. What a disgrace!
And that was the number 9 single for tonight. In the number 8 spot, we have none other than VI artist, Pressure Busspipe Punneting. This time, Long While is a single.
It's pressure.
I've been longing to be with you, baby. Oh, you close, man. Ooh, it's been a long, long while since I felt something sweet like this. Girl, you make the vibes worthwhile. Feeling that I can't resist. I will search across the world to find you. You suddenly appear. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet like this. Hear me now, baby. When it's me and you alone, I'm turning off my phone. Ooh, you'll be there when I come home. Ooh, cause I just wanna chill with you. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet like this. Loving you is on my mind. I'm feeling that I can't resist. Girl, I'm searching across the world to find you. And now you're standing here. Ooh, it's been a long, long while. I felt something sweet.
It's been a long while and now you're standing there.
Yeah, Yes, at number 8.
How did you get there?
Busspipe.
Nobody's supposed to be there.
Menagerie, poof, magic.
Hey, yeah, pressure. Doing this thing, pressure upon them.
Pressure upon them. And the number 7 position here tonight. Again, Pressure Busspipe, this time with Humbleness. Bust True.
Hey, burning, 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 burning. Sure. Hey, progress. Can't stop the African progress. Though the poor man never have it, still no hopeless. Me know the system is a savage. Visit the youths a rise out of the slum, them can't manage. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Open up the gates and let the youth them come through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youths a bust through. Bust through every trap we set an obstacle. Step ahead of them, we come for take over, yeah. We go on the road that things a bubble like soda, yeah. Fulfill the mission, man, a carriage and load again. Cut off Babylon with me sword again. Hey, give fight against the foe that will turn on you. Continue playing with fire, it will burn on you. Never want to get a youth to reach your level. You can't stop strong and firm rebel. Hey, bust through, get a youth a bust through. Bust through, Rasta man a bust through. Bust through, get a youth a bust through. Open up the door and make the youth them come through.
Bust through.
Get a youth a bust through.
What's that? Bust through.
Rasta man a bust through.
Island Heat Radio Show podcast is busting through right about now.
Yes, we are. And that was just the number 7 single for tonight, Pressure Busspipe and Humbleness. In the number 6 position, I think we all need to know that Badness Naga work this weekend at the Bless Fest. We're coming with the blessings. This is Delhi Ranx in the number 6 position.
We shall overcome. Yeah. We shall overcome. Yeah. We shall overcome. Every day, all the time. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. And the world general, Delhi. Every youth in a nigga garrison no make no gun burst. Badness now go work. Better you try do some hustling and sell some merch. Badness now go work. You can turn a DJ and lock some concert. Badness now go work. Be a trendsetter where you put people first. Badness now go work. Them a shooting fi stop, no more stabbing on the back. Peace me want right round the clock. Murder and no go no further. Listen to them word, yeah. Sorry can't bring no life back. Me know say this system pressure enough youth make them choke it. Enough for them leave college and can't buy KFC bucket. Before in all the cook them can't plug it. Me know this in all the prison ghetto youths are in office. Every youth in all the garrison no make no gun burst. Badness now go work. Better you try do some hustling and sell some merch. Badness now go work. You can turn a DJ and lock some concert. Badness now go work. Be a trendsetter where you put people first.
Badness now go work.
And it starts with you.
That's right.
It
Start
starts
with the man in the mirror.
Yeah, so make the changes. That was number 6 on the countdown, Delhi Ranx. Letting you know that Badness, cut it out.
Yeah. I'm starting with the man in the mirror too, you know. I'm asking him to make a change.
Yeah, I mean, I think this month was about renewal for me personally.
Yeah. There you go.
Fresh start.
It's a Virgo, a new Virgo season.
Yeah, so I like that.
It's your season to do that. There you go.
Bust true. In the number 5 position tonight, we're making our way down the countdown. It's Neka Leslie. This time she wants to be face to face.
I'm about to pull up on you. I know we ain't been seeing eye to eye, but I still want you in my life. Just send me the edit. I'm on my way. Let me pull up on you right now. Don't wanna be too late. Send me your location. Don't let me wait too long. I need to
Tell me say you're upset, I know in no talking. I'm pipe no finger, but tell you started. Tell me say you done becoming too toxic. You said you need some space. I can't go one more day. Need your face on my face. Miss the way your lips taste. I know we ain't been fucking lately, but I still want you in my life. I know we ain't been seeing eye to eye, but I'm still pulling out tonight. Just send me the edit, I'm on my way. Let me pull up on you right now. Don't wanna be too late. Just send me a location. Don't let me wait too long. I need to see you face to face.
I just would ask her, are you serious?
And that's the next single for tonight at the number 4 position. Neka Leslie makes another premiere on the countdown here with Serious.
Oh, okay.
I get too serious. You I get too close as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like you could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart? Serious. You I get too close as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like I could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart? You got a strong hold on me. I don't know what's taking over me. Don't know where this is gonna lead. Is this how this supposed to feel? Kinda feel like it's supposed to be. Got my chest tight like I'm asthmatic, like I'm floating off of this planet. Got that stuff that makes me an addict. About to call your mama and daddy. Serious. You I get too close as I get too dangerous. Making me feel like you could be the one. If I let you in, would you protect my heart?
But of course. But of course. Serious. Yeah. Serious right there.
Seriously, please.
Neka Leslie in the number 4 position.
Don't just pull up, though. Don't just pull up. Please text me. I might not be home. Like, you asking for the Addy. I might be at somebody else's house. I can't just be giving out addresses.
All of these things. You know, you have to have the proper schedule. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, and this next single in the number 3 position is a greeting to all. It's DeMarco, Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Good morning.
Wow.
I'm ready
You ready?
to go. Hello. 10 days are good. Good morning. 10 days are good. I'm ready. 10 days are good. For the world. 10 days are good. Woke up with a smile on my face. I'm happy for today. I'm thankful for today. Yeah. Woke up with a smile on my face. I'm happy for today. I'm thankful for today. I wave at the sun. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave at the sun. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. I wave, I wave. Good morning. I'm ready to go. Hello. Good morning. I'm ready for the world. Hello. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Today's a good day.
Another day above ground, count my blessings, thankful I'm alive. Life is the greatest gift, come on, encourages you to smile. Love is the greatest answer, I've been saying this for a while. Negativity can't cramp my style. Listen to the reggae drums, the guitar, the bass and the keyboard. Make a move on your feet and have some fun. Happiness, now here I come. Away by the sun. Away, 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 away.
a good day. Today's a good day. Yeah.
Hello. Good morning. All right.
There you go. DeMarco alongside Terry Bennett. Hello.
Amazing single. Upbeat. It looks like it's also promoting Jamaica Tourist Board.
Happy music. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
Let's go island hopping.
Yeah, we need more of that. We need more of
Have
that.
fun in the sun.
More blessings and more good vibes.
Yeah, man. That's all. That's all.
Yes.
It's all about. It's nothing. So DeMarco this weekend got into seemingly a little issue with Bounty Killer on stage.
Oh.
You know, they were performing, and it seems like the show management, time management on the stage, you know, it kind of got
over the mic.
So not fighting per se, but you know, there was a rush of artists to try and get in before the show was done, and Bounty was sharing, but then you know.
Then he wasn't sharing.
Right, exactly. That's exactly what it is. It's like, okay, you had yours.
You got your turn.
Give him
My
a mic.
turn now.
You know, and you could tell DeMarco was performing, but also kind of also searching for the killer to make sure.
He wasn't
approval.
trying to-
Right. It's like I can go, right? I can. Oh no, I'm done. Okay. Here's hey, thank you. Yeah. It was interesting. But big up to DeMarco every time.
Absolutely. And for me, I think that both artists have good or sportsmanlike and you know, they know how to hold a stage and hold a crowd. So it's a shame that time restraints often keep us from seeing the best.
Always remember when you're on stage with Rodney Price, it's Rodney Price's stage. Okay? That is.
Ross.
All right, Marco.
And before we get angry.
DeMarco said, when Killer not good with you, the name is never the name.
Yes,
You know?
right?
So you will hear DeMarco, you know, I will mark you.
Switch up
Or
quick.
some sort of switch up to it. So yeah, no, they go way back. So I'm sure no harm, no foul. Yeah.
Yes, and this next artist, she definitely has a lot of stage presence. She brings out the goat and the chairs. So let's give it to Spice for this next song.
Name me black a fola. Push me na the corner while you roll me like a stroller. Me a the controller. Fat up like a polar. Change up me mood cause you know me bipolar. I saw me wide, I don't care. I saw me sit down on the like chair. Shake me mom me na the ear. Rock on the body like a rocking chair. Whoa, you find me hot, hot. So me love it when you me morph back. Hot. Come now. Me with the body, pan the body. That's how me know fit and toddy. Make me remember that like a study, me a study. Roll me na the dirt, make me dirty, make me muddy. I saw me body fit like a fickle. Overwhelm me ankle. Inna me in a angle, this triangle. Me hot and make it burn me like the wax punk angle. Wrap up on me body like chain when it tangle me. Wide, I don't care. Under me clean. Fresh under here. She let me mom, me no care. Rock on the body like a rocking chair. Oh, you find me hot.
Big up to all those who like to rock in the rocking chair.
Right? Uncle right. And I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Another chair.
Nothing wrong with the rocking
Like
chair.
another year.
You know, back and forth.
Big things are going there.
Spice, the queen. Hey, she just set a new record. The most streams by any reggae dancehall female artist for her song "Go Down Deh." 300 million streams. 300 million streams on Spotify. Yeah.
Pick up yourself, pick up Shaggy and Sean
Paul, yeah.
So on the track.
Hey, listen, anytime you want to go 300 million, Shaggy and Sean Paul will get you there.
Those names, absolutely.
They
It was
got
a great
that pull.
collaboration as well. So big up yourself for making that happen, Spice.
Yeah.
And it's time for us to give you the rundown of the official Atlanta Caribbean music chart for tonight. Number 10 was Rush Fraser Jr., Prophecy Reveal. 9, Rush Fraser Jr., Natty King, Disgrace. 8, Pressure Busspipe, Long While. 7, Pressure Busspipe, Humbleness, Bust True. 6, Ranx, Badness, Naga Work. 5, Neka Leslie, Face to Face. 4, Neka Leslie, Serious. 3, DeMarco, Hello. 2, Spice, Chair. And the number 1 single for the official Atlanta Caribbean Music Charts for tonight here on Island Heat is none other than DeMarco, Go My Best Friend.
Someone add a beat to this real quickly. You are step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. Oh my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not tread send. Oh my best friend. If I trouble out the road, but I step then just say the red when. Oh my best friend. You know that. Oh my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. Talk to them, Marco. Pledge allegiance, on the battlefield for me friend never leave one. Don't find them in any state, any region. Retaliation is a must. Ask Elon. Defend me friend them anyway, I when I me one. Cherish your real friend them when you receive one. Your real dog motivate you to be strong. We're loyal to the T-Farm. You are step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. Oh my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not tread send. Oh my best friend. If I trouble out the road, but I step then just say the red when. Oh my best friend. You know that. Oh my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. No bad mind, no jealousy. I just love we are show no bad energy. Swear to God, say me proud of me friend, you see. Bartender, give me one more anything. Put in the footwork, we create legacy. Before cause I know what them could have said to me. Don't stack up with the bread, create equity. Don't when doors, I want to feel like sesame. You are step up in a life and I said train up to celebrate you. Oh my best friend. Haters them a go talk, just let them long as I not stress send. Oh my best friend. If I trouble out the road, but I step then just say the red when. Oh my best friend. You know that. Oh my best friend. You know that. You're my best friend. Who might fight.
Big up to all the best friends out there who cheerlead for your best friends. You know what I mean?
Big up to my bestie, love you, and big up yourself every time. Love you like cook food.
So tell me something though, right? Spice has the besties. How come she didn't do that song?
True. Well, you know, DeMarco's a big artist, producer, writer. Could I try, pitch it to her? And she was like, I'm going to go with the GOAT.
Idea. Hey, sometimes you just gotta let people win. If that's the route you want to take, go ahead and take it. Yes. So we've come to the new. The Marcus holding strong on this countdown,
really
man.
is.
That best friend strong.
He's controlling the top 3 right now. Yeah. Making some shifts in and shifts out, but still holding it down.
Yeah. So big up to all the artists on the countdown. ATL has so much talent.
Absolutely. And we have to continue to progressively stream, purchase, and support reggae music from all over the world, but specifically here in the ATL. So thank you to everybody who made this possible, from production to artists, all the way down to the promoting platforms.
Now you say that, but there's the new advent now of AI.
Yes.
And AI music production that kind of eliminates the band, the musicians, even the singers. Could even eliminate the writers of the song if you have the right prompts. And it's getting really, really scary good.
It is.
It
is. And like you said, it's taking away the process of what makes music personable. But it is feeding into what we would consider like a microwave culture, where it's like ready fast, ready to go, and often not down to the detail part.
Yeah. Well, and then some would say, nothing's down to the detail perfect, right? If you have 5 people playing instruments and trying to stay in perfect timing and things, nobody's absolutely right on there. So there's always going to be a little deviation when it comes to the human. Right. But maybe with AI, actually, you might be able to get it more exact and precise, so, and also for those who are behind the scenes giving the AI the prompts, for them, maybe, it's their creativity in how well they can, design whatever it is and create the right prompts to get what their desired outcome is,
Absolutely. I think that it is a cross between profit and, as you said, productivity and creativity at work. It can be lucrative, but is it necessarily fair to those who spend hours collecting the artists, collecting the musicians, putting together and mixing and mastering their single, only for it to maybe fall?
Fear, you say? What is this concept of in the music game, in the music industry, in the music business?
So maybe we're leaning on the side of profit.
I'm just saying it's not a fair. The whole structure isn't fair to start with for the hardworking, struggling writers and musicians, and who don't see a lot of times the greater part of the profit that is made off of their music. Let's take a listen to AI production and see how good it is, and then we'll cover. Let's see. Let's take a little listen.
Curtains breathing in the breeze. Your shadow sways beside my knees. Eyes like fireflies in the dark, lighting truths we dared not speak. Laughter bleeding through the walls, secrets floating soft and stark. We touch with silence, not with hands. Too sacred, too scared to leave a mark.
Every heartbeat was a whisper, every glance a quiet vow. We lived inside the hush of thunder, but never said the words out loud. We never said I love you out loud, but it echoed in the stillness somehow. The window stayed wide open, letting the breeze confess what we wouldn't.
So there are no live person was singing.
Wow. But it still didn't give that personability, that personality that I find in human productions. I was looking. I was searching.
I don't think if you didn't know if it was AI to start with, it would be hard for you to really
differentiate between that and what's on the radio.
Yep. Sounded like Sia. I think that the label on that one had said alongside Damien Jr. Gang Marley, but
that wasn't
that wasn't
AI Damien.
That one didn't. That one really didn't translate. But the Sia sounded a lot like Sia, and sat down nice on that reggae.
It was a little one shot though.
Now, actually, I'm thinking, does this maybe help producers open up their heavens to think and say, hey, okay, maybe we can do reggae or and it may be more, instead of a finished product, be more of the draft. Use AI to develop a draft, and then you just bring it to singers to really bring it out, or it just create your own lane, right? AI radio station for AI productions, have your AI Grammy, don't try to,
get into the middle.
Cross into keep them two separate things maybe. Or could you have the AI song of the year and all of that stuff,
Yeah. I think that it's something definitely worth introducing because it is real and it is a part of what the new music industry is going to look like. And not even the new music industry, the current music industry. I see that...
all those bots, you mean? That help everybody to get...
the streamers.
Yeah.
Streaming bots.
Yeah.
That's true. So technology is listening to technology now, and obviously the playback is sounding really clear.
Yeah, that is it, you know. So I think definitely AI is here for a good long while to come, and it's just getting started. And you know, I just would always want to at least have the label on it. You know, don't try to fool me. Let me know, okay, who that is, what that is, and then you know I can
differentiate
take it.
and be able
Yes,
to make
you know,
judgment
I can put it in my own category, my own box. Yeah, that'll work. You know, so tell us, folks, what you think about that AI music, AI production, and that growing trend towards more automated stuff, yeah, including music.
Yes, and yeah, just do the right thing. You know, give credit where it's due. I think that's what's most important, and don't just take profit for the music that you create. Think about the people that are involved and also the lives that you would like to touch.
Yep. So it's funny you just said these words, right? You said the lives you'd like to touch. You said the target market, right, of these artists, right? And so speaking of artists who targeted some people for profit, oh boy, Sean Kingston. Sean Kingston has kind of ended up on the wrong side of the law. Even AI can't help him in this one, I don't think.
Yeah, I say.
You know, and Sean's mom as well.
Mom, and it's sad. And this story has been bubbling up for a while. I think it broke late last December, and finally we've got a verdict. Assistant U.S. Attorney Marc Anton has described the disgraced rapper Sean Kingston as someone addicted to celebrity lifestyle, even though he could no longer afford to maintain it. He is a thief and a con man, plain and simple, Anton said. Kingston was sentenced to 3.5 years in prison Friday after being convicted of a $1 million fraud scheme in which he leveraged his fame to dupe sellers into giving him luxury items that he never intended to pay for. Kingston, whose legal name is Keshawn Paul Anderson, and his mother, Janice Eleanor Turner, were convicted back in March by a federal jury of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and 4 counts of wire fraud. Now, Turner was sentenced to 5 years in prison last month.
Wow.
Mom got the book thrown at her.
Yes. It's just a shame. To me, just shameful.
And the mother is in cahoots with her son. She knows it's wrong.
Listen, you made all this money, right? Big international famous pop star. And ran around all the time with the Jamaica flag. You're carrying Kingston as the name. Mm-hmm. And this is the embarrassment you want to come put upon we. Like things that already rough and tough. You know what I mean? Like you know what I mean? It's a disgrace to the entire Caribbean. Yeah.
And it's tough because, like you said, he was a household name. People remembered him for his song, his jovial personality whenever he hit the stage, and he wore the flag proudly. So, you know, we expected better. We wanted better from Sean Kingston.
And all he wanted to be was a scammer and a banger. That's it.
Well,
scammer lifestyle.
In tow with what's going on in Jamaica. So let this be an example to the young people, them.
Boy, you know, when he's supposed to inspire others to do what he's doing, he's being inspired to try and do what the scammers are doing.
And in the words of Deli Ranx, badness not gonna work.
It's not even that he had a way out. He was already out. Yeah?
Sure. And
come
like
on,
said,
you're burning on and come on.
Keep it up with the Jones, and that's the price you pay for trying to keep up, right? And the keep up lifestyle is just you want more, you want bigger, faster car, bigger house. It can be overwhelming. So prayers out to the family, everyone affected, and hopefully justice will be served.
Yeah, now this should be a lesson to all of you artists out there, right? You cannot do something like this unless you're already friendly with Donald Trump. All right, you can't. That's the only way you can. You have to already have the pardon lined up. You understand? Yeah, you already have
the
to.
world we live in today.
You already have to have the pardon lined up when you go to do these things. You know, you should have made sure Trump was on his playlist.
What a world we live in, people. So leave your comments in the comment section. Let us know how you feel about this latest verdict.
Let's jump into some music real quick.
And we just need some music to kind of break the ice. This is the Island Heat Radio Show. I'm your host, Lady LaLeeBella, alongside DJ SuperPEC.
Run June. This is Jeron's Nurse, y'all. This is called Soul Service.
Today's theme.
He's going to be one of the artists on Atlanta Bless Music Fest this weekend. Other Trinidad and Tobago, let's go.
Getting crazy, 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 and the storms of life are raging. Help me on this journey, in this generation. Cause I've never been to heaven, but I wanna go there. And I know my vessel been damaged and I need repairs. Didn't take me too long to notice that my soul needs service. Too long I've been on the surface. Take me out of this furnace. God, I need a reminder. I've been sipping at Satan's diner. Oh yeah. Thought it was mine. Now I feel like I'm an outsider. Yeah. Crazy how you still love someone like me. Disgrace. Shed your blood for someone like me. Mistakes erased. So now I can smile again. You make me whole again. I got an appointment in heaven. That I need to attend. Never been to heaven, but I wanna go there. And I know my vessel been damaged and I need repairs. How to notice that my soul needs service. Too long I've been on the surface. Take me out of this furnace. God, I need a reminder. I've been sipping at Satan's diner. Oh yeah.
Just can't keep wondering how, why I can't keep my mind off you now. Baby girl, you are the wife. Simply you are my type. I may write some bad line. Now listen, friend, them bad mind. Baby girl, you're my sunshine. Me turn lover, so my bun cry. Full up your tongue, touch your roll up on the north side. She tell me straight, hey. She say you know that's a free ride. And then she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum bye. And then she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum dash. And then she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum bye. And then she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum dash. Girl, your vibe is amazing. Wanna make you my birthday, my pretty little young thing. Come on, get this damn ring. I'm ready to go all in, straight back till the morning. My name you be calling, oh baby my darling. Love when she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum bye. When she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum dash. When she rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum rukum kukum kum bye. And then she rukum kukum.
Raise your glass in the air if you know that you're stress free.
Beat again.
Oh, universe boss. You know them can't bother me. I'm feeling a vibe, we are cruise round town. Just party, we go, then I stay. It's a high vibe I'm feeling. Whoa. So I can't have a few of my friend them link up. One or two girls from way back when. Yeah, you know it's a vibe when the drinks can start flowing. When the drinks start flowing. Hey baby, I'm a man. It's full of vibe. I could take you where you never see. I'm only here for a short time, so come on. Hey, come on. Yeah, we living it up. Don't give a what. Tell me a song. Drink, we come, yeah, we come to party. Me and my friend, them we feeling irie. Yeah, we living it up. Don't give a what. Tell me a song. Drink, we come, hold on to your shawty. Raise your glass in the air if you know that you're
come stand pride, no. Didn't your friend come tell us me like yo? Make you a hype, so I mean know you like the vibe, but you a whole composure. I bet you if me get a little closer, want to grab me like your controller. I make note oh me waist a move so nice. Hey, I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call, Lila Ike, you can't go take the fraud. Hey, I'm on a romantic call, talking to my baby over the yard. I'm on a romantic call, Lila Ike, you can't go take the fraud.
I don't want the call.
Tell them down the line, we a give it time. Make us keep it on the line, we a give it time. Dance all live and nice, what's a little wine. None of them you never spoil, never minimize. So go me save your little time, drop it like a lightning. Couple bars and a little rhyme. Broadcast like a satellite. Ever after we a shine like a cookie oil. Them never know what's up within the rust. Put the bill and us and off, forget vociferous. Come up on my east side for the syllabus. And anything with them I claim for bus, specially bus. Switch it up whenever up with them and not a us. Foreigners I come and said them want to shut up us. We telling them to drop the copyright, now wanna shut up us. Get a glamorous, we choke them like a macabush. Rhythm we chopping up, so never turn your back on us. And when the youth them stopping on your back, you think I can no cuss. Never pressed about the chance, forget the flashy look. And when we step out with the crew, the mountain Neka broke. Flexing meticulous, so check out the curriculum. We're stacking like the 10% and 9% settle down. Naturally, hearing me beat and me twist long. Big up B-side girls with the pink bomb. Big up UK, soon touch your England. Visit me mother with the keys to the kingdom. Just a try grow me plants for me income. Now me know 6 clubs still a swing down. Sing fence still a beat in a Kingston. Down the line, we a give it time. Make a skip in the line, we a give it time. Dance all live on ice, was a little wine. None of them
It's yes, she don't let go the rhythm. She don't let go the rhythm, not at all.
Broadcast like a satellite. Never after we a shine like a cookie line. In the place like a pretty light. They must me full of rhyme like a gigabyte. When I go see it, me kind of visualize. Who this me not go make it give me the good time. Someone can tell me.
Can't stop a satellite.
Listen.
Up there.
She
Out to this world.
sit down like a lizard on a limb on rhythm. Chat about. Listen. Big up to yes every time. Y'all can make sure you check out our interview with her. All right. Make sure you listen back to that and give us your feedback. Yeah. Like, comment, share.
All the things, and we are honoring great women. We just listened to some Lila Ike as well.
Yes.
Doing our thing.
And you notice I mixed it out before the featured artist came in.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to say, yo, I'm rocking with the ladies right now.
Yes, you
understand?
are.
All right.
That's
That's how
I can see that.
Okay.
And our next discussion feature is, of course, Fiddleities, while also talking about roots, culture, and legacy. Reggae singer Cen'C Love, the daughter of the late music icon Bunny Wailer, is back. After a 9-year hiatus from recording music, Cen'C Love has taken the time to will be releasing a drum and bass heavy EP entitled Elephant on October the 5th. She says that she's been working on the music for the past few years, writing, mostly producing the tracks. She's a producer before an artist, and she is very passionate about the music. The artist, whose real name is Najeri Livingston, says that she is particularly pleased about the high production values of her self-produced album. Cen'C Love wrote and produced all of the album's songs, my apologies, as well as played keyboards, guitar, and percussions.
Hey, Bunny Wailer daughter, you know.
Yes,
Yeah, she played around the instruments.
Very talented. And when asked why she decided to call this album Elephant is a powerful figure in various traditional cultures, symbolizes strength, wisdom, and good luck. Further, the elephant has a serious memory, and the memory is my legacy.
Wow. Great stuff. You know, I got a chance to be in studio with Cen'C, know Cen'C and hang with her when she was here in Atlanta a few years ago.
She's back in Florida.
Yeah. And now, great voice. One of those signature sounds, like nobody's gonna sound like Cen'C. When you hear her music, I'm really looking forward to the new stuff that she's gonna be releasing, especially when you have the opportunity to produce everything yourself and really hone that sound and really sharpen it to the way you want it to be. So I'm really looking forward to it. Very, very talented, very, very talented young lady each and every time.
Put, a labor of love into this work because it's a dedication not only to her contribution to music, but her father's legacy as well.
Yes. Big up every time. Cen'C love.
Cen'C love.
No,
and another
one. Now, the first time I saw this young lady was in a love movie.
Yes, One Love.
There you go.
With Kimani.
There you
Kimani
go.
was in there too.
Yep.
Idris even made a little appearance.
Now, I didn't even know that was Idris at the time.
Yeah.
You
gotta go back and be like,
yeah.
Jamaican accent. Nigerian with the Jamaican accent.
But they just had a recent interview with him and Trevor Noah, where he was talking about when he was auditioning for The Wire, the role that made him famous.
Yes.
That his agents told, do not say that you're from England. Like he just did not feel that a British actor could pull off the Baltimore lingo and swag, So it was I guess a couple years in, and then guys were asking where are you from? Where are you from? And he told them, and they were like, ooh, they knew it was something. Couldn't figure out where, but it was just different. So yeah. So Idris Elba doing the thing, but enough about.
Enough about Idris. Come on. Oh, yeah. But, of course, great things out Guan. He's a Virgo, by the way. Hey. And it's just
Cherine Anderson. Yes.
The beauty, the voice, and, of course, the iconic new full inspirational album set for 2026.
Long awaited. She's got a great voice. From a long time ago, I've been wanting to hear more from her. She had released something on the Taxi.
Yes.
Remember we got the debut.
We did.
The Taxi first release after the passing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So
she's still doing music.
Yeah.
And now it's evident that she is opening the door in this new release. You can find out more about it. It's out as of August 19th. And this is a 5-track EP entitled The Door, where Anderson's signature sounds from dancehall soul blend seamlessly with reggae and gospel, offering listeners a refreshing space to release and breathe freely.
Yes. We're going to hear from that project in a couple weeks, when we return after our Labor Day break next week.
Which is right. So make sure you guys are supporting the female artists. Support all reggae artists, but especially those females that are showing out and doing their thing.
That's right. Now, we're running short on time, so we're going to jump right to our special video feature of the week. This was the one that we were supposed to have on last time, but we put on... That's right. But yeah, yes, it just lucks out that way. She gets more spins. It works.
Queen every time.
Works.
Yes,
so this was Rude by Yeza.
You say you want a piece, but you're not getting none. Everything fuck up, baby, you come when it's done. I sent away the love to my new baby. I know you come back one like you are. Be loyal to me, baby, like the fat we ain't done. And you a call me sexy cause you wanna get down. Telling everybody how you check for me. Telling your friends you must get back to winery. Rude, you're rude. You're rude, bro, you want come and take me away from my baby. Rude, you're rude. You're rude, bro, you want come and take me away from my baby. My baby love me good, they make me happy ball out. And every time you see us, you shoot up your long mouth. I saw me realize you're never genuine. You just don't realize I was your medicine. I see you cannot manage the adrenaline. I really used to think you were a gentleman, but you're just a little boy and you can't get your way. So go inside now. Rude, you're rude. I rude, you're rude. Won't you want come and take me away from my baby?
It's a style of music.
Yo. See how she versatile?
And dismiss them. Cut them away. Cut them off, girl. Cut them off. See you away. So, well, let's give you guys the reggae birthdays before we say our final adieu. August 25th, Junior Delgado, Oscar Hibbert.
Yes, and on the 27th, Ja Thomas will be celebrating as Earthstrong.
Beres Hammond on the 28th.
And Ja Lloyd on the 29th.
Jamil on the 30th.
And Al Campbell would celebrate the birthday on the 31st of August.
Well, that's all, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys follow us and also tune in to APAP Media tomorrow.
That's right. Make sure 7 p.m. right here at the place to be. All right, and make sure you join us for the Speak Harmony podcast hosted by Sharon Thompson and Dr. Sharon Reed. 7 p.m.
It's been a beautiful night. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a good one.
Have a good one, everybody. Hey, let's move our feet, yeah? Let's jump up to the beat and we're going to exit with this one. This is Sam Meadows. Let's go. I forgot to ask Nanamus, right? To make sure that there was no, Kurt Fangton outfits on stage this Saturday. Everybody, peace and love. We'll see you next week. Same time, same place.
Island Heat Caribbean Show, APAC Radio. Keep it locked. Okay. From yacht to the street.
Take our minds off of Christ.
APAC Radio. Keep it locked.
Lord, can we buy that?